Let's start with the first asana, which is known as the full plank or Phalakasana. For this, make sure to start in a tabletop position. Keep your thighs hip-width apart. Place your hands on the mat, shoulder-width apart. Make sure your wrist, elbow and shoulders are all in a straight line. Now from here, take your legs back one at a time, making sure that your hips are neither too high nor sinking down too low. Keep your hips in line with the spine. Now, making sure that your abdomen and your glutes are fully engaged, meaning fully clenched and tight. Hold this posture for a total of 20 counts. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, excellent. 5, 6, keep that core engaged. 7, 8, 9, 10, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, good job, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bring your knees down. Go down into child's pose or Balasana with your hands forward. Keep your forehead down on the mat and relax. Seated Tadasana. For this, interlock your fingers, turn your palms outwards, inhale, stretch your arms up and exhale slowly down. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale up. Feel that positive energy flowing in through your body and exhale down. One last time, deep inhale up and exhale down.